Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sofa bed support on the market. The Meliusly Heavy-Duty Sleeper Sofa Support Board, specifically designed for queen-size sleeper sofas. If you've ever struggled with an uncomfortable sofa bed, this product might just change your experience entirely. Sofa beds are incredibly convenient, but many people find them uncomfortable because of the metal support bars underneath the mattress. These bars often poke through the mattress, making it difficult to get a restful night's sleep. The Meliusly Sleeper Sofa Support Board solves this problem by providing a sturdy, reinforced surface that covers those bars completely. This means you get an even, firm sleeping surface without feeling the hard metal underneath. What makes this support board stand out is its construction. It's made from extra sturdy, 1/3 inch thick engineered wood panels combined with Oxford polyester. This combination not only reinforces the structure but also helps keep the board and mattress firmly in place, preventing any slipping or shifting during the night. The board is designed to be user-friendly. It arrives folded up into a compact size, easy to handle and store. When you need it, simply unfold it to its full size, 48 by 60 inches, perfectly matching a queen-size sleeper sofa. After use, it folds back down for convenient storage, making it practical for any living space. Another key benefit of the Meliusly support board is its ability to firm up sagging mattresses and cushions. By distributing weight evenly across the sofa bed, it extends the life of your furniture and enhances overall comfort. Whether you're using your sofa bed for guests or as a regular sleeping space, this support board will make a noticeable difference. At 15 pounds, it's lightweight enough to handle easily but strong enough to support up to 400 pounds. This means it can comfortably support 2 people, which is ideal for a queen-size sleeper sofa. The board's modern, rectangular shape fits seamlessly without interfering with the sofa's design. Assembly is not required, which means no frustrating setup times. Just unfold and place it between the mattress and sleeper bars. This ease of use is a huge plus, especially if you need a quick and effective solution for your sofa bed discomfort. Meliusly is a family-owned business focused on solving everyday problems, and their customer service reflects their commitment to quality. They offer this product as a solution that truly improves comfort and durability for sleeper sofas, which are often overlooked when it comes to accessories. To summarize, the Meliusly Heavy-Duty Sleeper Sofa Support Board offers a reinforced, comfortable, and easy-to-use solution to the common problems of sofa bed discomfort. It's sturdy, foldable, and designed to extend the life of your sofa bed while making it much more comfortable. If you're tired of waking up feeling the metal bars or dealing with a sagging mattress on your sofa bed, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.